Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to use coupons with your store. So we're going to go ahead into the administrative side of your website, and we're going to click on WooCommerce, which is going to give us this drop down here for coupons. Okay, so here we go. So we can create a coupon, or we can learn more about coupons. Let's go ahead and look at that. So this is where you're going to be able to find step-by-step instructions on how to do this, but you're going to be able to watch me do it right now too. So let's get back to our website, and I'm going to click this, create a coupon. So first off, what is the coupon code going to be? So let's say that it's going to be something, let's just call it special, just to be easy, okay? And we'll worry about the description later. Now, what type of discount is it going to be? Is it going to be a specific amount, or is it going to be a percentage of what they spend? So let's say that you give them a 10% off discount. That's what this could be. So if they spend $50, they're going to get $5 off. If they spend $100, they're going to get $10 off. Of course, you can make this be whatever you like. Now, if you're running an e-commerce store, you can have free shipping via coupon. So the coupon could be like free ship, and then this here you would click allow free shipping with this coupon. You can also set when you want the coupon to expire. So this is certainly nice. This way you don't forget about it, and a year from now someone uses that coupon and you're confused. Now, you can restrict how often someone uses the coupon. You can also restrict how much they spend. So let's say that they're going to get 10% off their order only if they spend $20 or more. We could put that in there, minimum spend of $20. And maybe we want to have a maximum spend too. If somebody spends over $200, they're not going to get any more of a discount. That's up to you. Now, can this coupon be added with other coupons? That's up to you. If you don't want that, you check that. Do you want this coupon not to count for sales items? That's whether or not that's checked off. Okay? Now, should the coupon only be allowable on a specific item? You can set this here, or you could exclude products that the coupon won't count for. You can also have categories included in the coupon or excluded. You can also make it so they have to buy a certain amount. So let's say that you wanted to give someone free whatever. If they bought 4, they get a 5th one free. This is where you can set that up as well. Okay, so now usage limits. So do we want the coupon to be limited, that each user can only use it one time, or unlimited, or 5 times? Can it only apply to a couple items? So check this out. So here you could set it up so that way your coupon is only used like 100 times. So if you wanted to give, let's say, 100 free pizzas to the first 100 people that do something, but it sounds crazy, doesn't it? But let's say that's what you wanted to do. You could put in here that this coupon can only be used 100 times. You can also limit it to how many items it can be used on. Like if you wanted to have something at 20% off, but people could only buy one of them, this is where you would set it. And also if you want each user to only be able to use it once or multiple times. Now under checkout, if you have an e-commerce store, you can specify that the coupon's only going to work if they're having it shipped a certain way. With payment methods, have the coupon only work if they're using PayPal. That's up to you. And then you can also have customers on here that can't use coupons. So if you have a specific customer that you still want to order from you, but you don't quite want them using coupons, you can put them in here too. The Pro version does unlock more. If you're interested in that, just let us know. And of course, our coupon won't work until I hit publish, but once I do that, we're all set. Now, if I click on coupons, you will see that I have my coupon here. It gives a 10% discount. And of course, I can edit it as well. It also shows how many times it's used. That's how you use coupons.